Hello everyone. In this video, we are reviewing the Hinge dating app. Hinge is a dating app designed to help people build real relationships instead of endless chatting. It is often called the app designed to be deleted, meaning the goal is to help you find someone and leave the platform. When you first join Hinge, you create a detailed profile. You answer personal prompts, upload photos, and even record voice clips. These prompts act as conversation starters, which makes it easier to connect with matches. Unlike many dating apps, Hinge does not rely on swiping. Instead, you like a specific part of someone's profile and can leave a comment. This encourages real conversations from the beginning instead of simple matches. The app also uses an advanced algorithm to suggest matches based on your behavior and preferences. Over time, it learns what you like and improves your recommendations. Now let's talk about the pros. Hinge focuses on meaningful relationships, so many users are serious about dating. Profiles are detailed, which helps you understand people better. The app also reduces swipe fatigue by limiting daily likes, pushing users to be more intentional. But there are also some downsides. Free users have limited likes per day, which can slow down your experience. Some advanced features require a paid subscription. In smaller areas, the number of users may be lower. Also, some users report issues like account bans or limited visibility without paying. Overall, Hinge is a strong option if you want real conversations and meaningful connections. But if you prefer fast swiping or free unlimited access, it may feel restrictive. Thanks for watching.